So after completing all the needful, say, text, dimension or labeling for the door window, so the next step which I want to add now is actually implementing the benefit of BIM in our documentation, uh, and which is going to be supportive for your construction management also later. So the first step which I'll be explaining is how to create these schedules, which are interactive schedules, and which is a very much what you can say interesting feature in ArchiCAD. The first schedule which I'm going to design is related to door window schedule, and which normally we write along with in our working drawing, we along with our floor plan, section elevation where it is needed, we write about this total listing of how many types of door we have, their name or their width, height, and same thing with window also. So this entire door window schedule we are going to design, and we are going to place that, in your our this recently created ground floor this layout. So probably we will see how I can manage to add that. If there is a sufficient space on this page, I might even try to put that. Otherwise, maybe I'll try to incorporate that on my next page where my section elevations are getting focused. Uh, so first of all, I'll go back to my floor plan. Here in the project map, already we have completed the labeling for the door window. That is what I'm now assuming. And let's see how I can add a new schedule by using the schedule group. So if I click on the schedules, and if I expand that particular rollout, you can see now there's a element group, elements or components, and surfaces. So these are the three different subgroups which can be get identified inside the schedules. So now I'll just first of all stay on the schedule, give a right click. You can even use the buttons which are available at the bottom, and I'm going to say I would like to go with the new schedule. Here he will open this scheme settings dialog by saying new schedule scheme. ID is supposed to be any suitable ID you can provide, the way it is in this elements it is IES-01 etc., or in the component ICS-01. So these are the predefined from again from the ArchiCAD side. If you don't like them, you can delete them the way we have deleted the layers or the view maps etc. Let's design our own first schedule. That I'll put 01 as a ID so that it will get listed at the top and quickly I can identify that. And I'll write over here as a door window schedule. Okay. So once I've written this door window schedule as my title or the name, then he's saying, okay, this is a new scheme which I'm talking about, but related to whom? Whether it's focusing on the elements or components or surfaces. Then you'll say what exactly the difference is. That again I'll explain later when we come for the much fine tuning or detailing about our schedule topic. Till that, we will focus only on the elements, like the main elements, like wall, column, beam, slab, door, window. These are the main elements. So we are focusing on that. Now I'll say OK for this. Moment I say OK for this, you can see this new schedule was added. Sorry, new scheme was added, and which is now getting because it was because it's selected. You can see there's a criteria page uh, on your right hand. You can close or open this with the button, and the second page is the fields and for that particular door window schedule. Okay. So in the criteria, you have to talk about, first of all, element type. Okay, and it's an equation. So you are trying to actually do some filtration. So you are going to put some restrictions to ArchiCAD so that ArchiCAD will follow them as a criteria to follow, and then accordingly he'll try to isolate those objects which you have mentioned in the as per the criteria. uh, and then ArchiCAD will further filter out the required information which you would like to get in the scheduling format. For example, our target is my element type is not all types. I will say it's going to be door, okay, and then again window also I would like to add in this. So how to add the new criteria? Of course, there is a button known as the add criteria. I'll click on this, and then he'll see what you would like to add as a criteria. Then I will say fine, I would like to go to the main itself, again element type. I'll click on the add button, or otherwise you can simply double click also. Now what happened, there are two criteria. One is supposed to be element type is door, and then he's saying and or either of that. So you're proceeding with the equation. So with this condition, whether it's and or. So if you say and if you say element type is, and if you see uh, window, so what happened? Your criteria says that element type is door and element type is window. Uh, with this, we should try to say or, because element type is door or element type is window. Okay. Now ArchiCAD knows that this is door or window. But if you want to further fine tune this, that I would like to write this only for a specific floor, that is only ground floor, then I might even add that particular criteria. At present, I'm not going to do that fine tuning. Later, I'll show you how to work for that. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say that fields which I would like to add to find out the required information for this door windows which I'm going to select. So here the field is supposed to be, again if you click on this button, he will see that general in group, if you expand, here these are the different available information which can be get extracted and that will get written in the tabulated format, or in the schedule it will get written for you. So if you say I would like to find out some simple things like say height or width, you can rearrange them in order later, but width, height, these are the important thing. Then you have a element ID, that is D1, D2 or W1, W2. So even that is there. So these are the three main things which you want to extract. This is in the general group, remember. If something you want to further take it in a special format or in a special manner for the door window, then you can expand that group, and then more of this related see options are available, which you can then further take it for your scheduling purpose. So maybe the cell or header value, or that is what should be the sill of the door or window which is applicable. So all such related additional information also you can extract from here. Okay. So at present, I'm just going to say that this is more than sufficient for me. That is my element ID, width, height, which is not in a order actually. So to order that in a proper manner, first of all, I would like to go for element ID. So I'm just going to pick and hold on this arrows which are pointing up and down, and then drag and just leave it on the required location. So this becomes my element ID as a first listing. Then second listing should be the width. So I'm going to hold the width and I'm going to drag a little bit up. So second listing is width, third listing is the height. That's fine. You have almost done. So you can say OK. Moment you say OK, you will see that in your element group, the new particular scheme was added. which is known as a door window schedule. You just double click on this, and ArchiCAD will open and show you that this listing is done for you. Okay, so all the door and windows are listed out in the required manner. We will see how to do the further placement of this schedule on the sheet or related settings, that is height of the text and other things also. So complete this much of part and then follow the next steps.